Hi, my name is Moises Contreras. I'm the General Manager of Palm Harbor Homes, and I'd like to invite you to Palm Harbor Homes in Odessa, which right now we are getting ready for the grand opening. And not just that, we are in construction, but we have a lot of homes coming in. But that's besides the point. I want to tell you the 5 top reasons why you want to buy a home only from Palm Harbor Homes in Odessa. One reason is, right away, is that we have exclusive, beautiful homes ready to take. There's nothing complicated about it. Second reason is there's lenders standing behind, waiting for your applications. So don't think that you might not get qualified. It doesn't hurt, and we don't charge you to find out. Third reason you want to come down to Odessa Palm Harbor is that we have a friendly staff and very experienced in knowing what is important to you and your family. What is it that's in it for you? And the fourth reason you want is because we have land. We have a lot of places to put the homes. And so there's a lot of exciting things. And having land is something everybody asks for. And it don't matter if it's in Odessa, Midland, Hobbs. We have it. We have it for you, even if it's in Chaparral, New Mexico, or El Paso, Texas. So we're everywhere. Okay, and we're the big boys here at the Permian Basin, and we want to invite you to come on by. And the fifth reason you want to buy a home from Palm Harbor Homes in Odessa is that we have 7 lots that have owner financing option. That's right, owner financing option. So if you want to get a piece of property and have all the utilities included with owner financing, Palm Harbor Odessa is the only ones that have it. We have very friendly staff here and very experienced in the people-friendly business. That's what we are. We're not just salespeople, we're in the people-friendly business. We know people. And so I want to invite you to come in with myself, Moises Contreras. Part of the Odessa team is Christian Montoya, Amy Avila, and not just that, but Joseph Merrill. Very well known here in this market. So come on down, guys. 432-653-5001. Odessa Palm Harbor is the one place to be. 5 top reasons. Thank you.